first session was at 4 p.m. Now we have the second session at this time of trigonometry part 2. Okay, so if you are live, then please pin me so that I can understand how many of you are live. Yes, guys, please comment in the comment box. Am I audible to you? Am I visible to you? If everything is okay, please comment. All okay. All right. Now, let's start. Hello, good evening to all of you guys. Good evening. You all are my champ. Okay. Now, let's start with the concept. Now, I will tell you the concept of quadrant. Now, I will tell you the concept of quadrant in trigonometry. Okay. So, please listen carefully. Yes, please come live so that I can start. Yes, I'm waiting for 30 seconds more. Yes, guys, if you want class to be start, please write in the comment box. Yes, sir, let's start and let's rock. Okay, this is very, very, very important concept. Guys, this is very, very, very important concept of trigonometry. Okay, now let's start with this concept. Guys, as you all know, Chippy MS, thank you so much. Okay, as you all know, guys, you have these 4 quadrants. All right, you have these 4 quadrants. This is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Oh, thank you, Jyoti Patel, thank you so much. All right, now this is your 0 degree, this is 90 degree, this is 180 degree, this is 270 degree, and this is 360 degree. All right, guys. Jadu Kisku, this is English medium class. Please, for Hindi medium class, please contact to our helpline number, and our helpline number is 29650052904. You can call on this number. All right. Now let's move. Okay. Now, guys, in this session, I will tell you about all the concepts, that how we can write 90 minus theta, how we can write cos 90 minus theta, how we can write tan 90 minus theta, how we can write sine 270 plus theta. In this session, guys, I will tell you about these type of conversions. All right, so please try to listen carefully. Yes, hello everyone. All right, so please listen carefully, guys. Okay, I will tell you the great logic of this, then you will be happy. Okay, now this is ASTC. A stands for all positive. This is sine theta and cos theta positive, rest are negative, and this is tan theta and cot theta is positive, rest are negative, and this is cos theta and sec theta is positive, rest are negative. All right, guys. So always remember, if you go like this, angle will increase 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. If you go like this, angle will decrease. Okay. Oh, sorry, this is cosec. Sorry, this should be cosec. All right. Now, guys, if you add anything in this acute angle, if you add any acute angle in this, you will always fall into second quadrant. And if you always minus in this, if any acute angle is subtracted from there, from 90, you will always fall in quadrant 1. All right. Now, there are some changes. Changes are sine theta will change in cos theta because these are complementary pairs. Tan theta will change in cot theta, and sec theta will change in cosec theta. All right, guys. And changes at, I will tell you the logic. Please listen carefully first. Please listen. Please, guys, listen carefully first. I will tell you all the things first. I'm writing here all the things. Then I will tell you the basic logic behind the quadrant. All right. So please listen carefully. All right, guys. So changes are, what are the changes? Changes at, always the trigonometric ratio changes at 90 degree and 270 degree. 90 degree, that is at y quadrant, and no changes at 180 degree and 360 degree. All right, guys. Now, step. What is the method I'm talking about? Okay, first I'm writing everything here, then I will tell you how we use this in converting our trigonometric ratios. This is very important method, and this will help you to find the value of sine 300 and sine 750, cos 1440 degree. This will help you to find these type of values. All right, guys. So please listen carefully. Okay, now method is what? Number one, first see the quadrant. Number two, see the changes. Number three, see the sign. All right, so this is the method. Okay, now I will tell you the how we change something into something. All right, so what about this? What about this? If we are having sine 90 minus theta, what will be the value of this? Yes, Sachin Gupta, I will tell you, don't worry dear. Sine 90 minus theta is what? First go to the method, see the quadrant. Always remember theta is acute angle here. If I subtract theta from 90, this will fall in the first quadrant. All right. Now see the changes. Is there any change takes place at 90 degree? Yes, at 90 degree it takes place. Okay. Now what are the changes? Sin theta will change in cos theta. All right. And what about sine here? May I put plus or minus here? But the third step is see the sign. Just check whether the sine theta is positive in this or not. Obviously, in first quadrant, all are positive. So, sine theta is positive. So, this is the basic method to convert these type of questions. If I am writing here 10 to 70 plus theta, all right. What will be the value of this? Yes, ASTC. And the formula of this is after school to college. To remember this, after school to college, add sugar to coffee. All right. SE, TESE, all right. Okay. Now, all silver teacups. This is very good. Okay. Now, if you know, now 10 to 30 plus theta is what? Now here I am having, see the quadrant first. 230 plus theta is what? Fourth quadrant. All right. Now see the changes. 10 theta at 270 there will be change takes place. Yes, at 270 there is a change. And 10 theta will change in cot theta. Now see the sign. 10 theta is positive or negative here. Obviously, if cos theta and sec theta is positive, then 10 theta is always negative in the fourth quadrant. I hope you got the point. So right now I'm giving you one or two questions. Please try to solve this. Sine 180 minus theta. All right. This you have to give the answer. And cos 360 plus theta. 10 180 plus theta. Yes, come on guys, give the answers of these please. This is very important concept, guys. I'm telling you, this is very important concept for your exam. Yes, come on guys, can I have the responses please? All right, so I will explain you about this. So guys, please try to understand this thing. Go through the method. You have nothing to do. Go through method. 180 minus theta is second quadrant. All right, guys, 180 minus theta is second quadrant, and 180, at 180 there will be no change. Sin theta will be remain sin theta. All right, now sin theta is positive or negative here? Obviously positive. Now cos 360 plus theta. 360 plus theta, which quadrant is? First quadrant. In 360, at 360 there will be no change. Cos theta will remain cos theta, and cos theta is what in the first quadrant? Positive. All right, guys. Now tan 180 plus theta, 180 plus theta, that is third quadrant. All right, third quadrant, and in third quadrant tan theta will always tan theta. In third quadrant tan theta is positive. So this is the answer. All right, guys, I hope you got the point. So let's start with the questions. This is the basic idea. So in your exam, in your RLB NTPC exam, questions of this type will be asked. Find the value of sine 300. Find the value of sine 300. All right. Find the value of sine 300 and also find the value of cos 750 and also find the value of tan 270. All right. So guys, please try to give the answers. These type of questions will be asked in your exam. Yes, come on guys, please try to solve this question. These type of questions will be asked in your exam. Okay, now please try to solve this question. Okay, guys, please try to give the answers, please. Okay, so I will tell you the logic behind this. Guys, I can write this sine 300 as 360 minus 60. Can I write this? 360 minus 60 is what? Fourth quadrant, and at 360 there is no change, and in the fourth quadrant sine is what? Negative. Then the answer will be minus root 3 by 2. I hope it is clear to all of you. Yes, APSS, you are right. All right, now move on to this question. I can write cos 750. Okay, Geet, please take the Geet and all, please take the screenshot of this screen. Yes, guys, please take the screenshot of this. All right, just a minute. Okay, now take the screenshot. Okay, now let's move on to the next slide. Okay, so guys, 750 I can break into 720 plus 30. All right, now 720 is 2 complete rounds. Okay, now I can say this will lie in first quadrant. Just check it out. This is your 360, this is your 720, all right, and plus 30, this is in first quadrant. All right, now so there is no change on 720. You will get cos 30, and cos is what? Positive in the first quadrant. You will get your answer. I hope you got the point. Yes, you are right. Yes, it is correct, Suresh. It is correct. Yes, it is definitely correct. Yes, yes. For Suresh, I will explain this question again. Don't worry. Okay, Suresh. Now, sine 300 can be written as sine 270 plus theta also. And theta is what here? 30 degree. This will lie in the fourth quadrant, and 270 degree takes place at 270 degree changes takes place. So sine will change in cos, and sine theta in fourth quadrant is always negative. So the value of this is this. You will get the same answer. Don't worry, Suresh. You will get the same answer. All right. Now cos 720 is what? 2 rounds. Now 10 to 70 is what? I can write 10 to 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta is what? 1090, and 1090 is what? Not defined. All right. So these type of question will be asked in your exam. I hope you got the point. because at 180 there will not be any change. Okay, so I will give you next question. Please try to solve this. Okay, please take the screenshot first. Yes, please take the screenshot, guys. Yes, please take the screenshot. Yes, Aji. Yes, in fourth quadrant, cos theta is positive, but you have to check the sign of this, which you are converting. All right. Now, let's move. So, I'm giving you a question based on it. Please try to solve this. Okay. You have to find the value of 10, 390. Okay. And cosec 420. Yes, please give the answers of these. Now, please try to solve this question. Yes, guys, come on.
On your left.
Okay, now we can have 10, 360 plus 30. We can write like this. So this will fall in first quadrant, then this will be 10, 30, and then 30 is what? 1 by root 3. This will be your answer. I hope you got the point. Alright guys, now cosec 420, I can write like this, 360 plus 60. Okay, now cosec 360 plus 60 is what? Obviously cosec 60. Cosec 60 is what? 2 by root 3. This will be your answer. Always remember a rule. Whenever you are having sine, cos, tan, anything else, whenever you are having sine, cos, tan, and anything else added with 360 plus theta, you will always have sine theta. Okay, so this one round does not make any changes. All right, now let's move on to the next type. Okay. Now guys, I will tell you some important type here. Now I will tell you the Brahmastra, super trick, Adipoli trick. All right, but after 2 or 3 minutes. First, I will discuss some important questions. All right. Now, question is very important question for your exam. If you are having sec theta plus tan theta is equal to P, all right, then find the value of sec theta. Yes, this is the question, and this question is very important question for your RRB NTPC exam. All right, so please try to solve this question and give the answer. Okay, now guys, whenever you are having sec theta plus tan theta equal to P, then you will always have sec theta minus tan theta equal to 1 by P. Okay, right? I will give you the proof of this, but in your exam you have to do it directly. As you all know, sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Then by applying the formula a square minus b square, you will have sec theta minus tan theta. Sec theta plus tan theta equal to 1. So the value of this is sec theta minus tan theta will be equal to 1 upon sec theta plus tan theta. All right. So the value of this is what? Here we have P. So sec theta minus tan theta will be equal to 1 by p. So you need not to explain this. Whenever you are getting sec theta plus tan theta equal to p, you can simply write sec theta minus tan theta equal to 1 by p. Alright, now on adding this, we will get 2 sec theta is equal to p plus 1 by p. Then sec theta will be equal to p square plus 1 upon p and 2 from here. So the value of sec theta is this. I hope you got the point. It is clear to all of you. If yes, write in the comment box, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. We are getting. All right. Jyoti Punu, please watch the session carefully, and if you are joining the session in the mid, please watch the session from the very beginning. All right. This is very important question, guys. So I will give you a next question on the same line. Okay. Now, I will give you next question on the same line. Okay. So my question is. Cosec theta plus sec theta, sorry, cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to p. Then find the value of sec theta. You have to find the value of sec theta. Yes, please give the answer of this question, guys. Give the answer of this question. Yes, please. Come on. Okay. Yes, Vishwas, please comment what you are asking for. Okay, then answer is given by Suresh, Dilip, Bhupesh and all. Okay. Riya Kapoor, very good. Chippy MS, very good, Chippy. Now, guys, whenever you are having cosec theta plus cot theta, always remember cosec theta minus cot theta will be 1 by p. Now on adding, we will get 2 cosec theta is equal to p plus 1 by p. Then cosec theta is equal to p square plus 1 divided by 2p. All right. No, Vishwa, your comment are visible to me. Don't worry. Okay, Vishwa, your comments are visible to me. You can ask me anything. All right. Now cosec theta is this. Then sin theta will be 2p upon p square plus 1. Now make a triangle here. This is your theta. And sin theta is what? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Then by Pythagoras theorem, you will always have this one. We have to find this value of sec theta. Sec theta is what? Base upon hypotenuse. Sorry. Hypotenuse upon base. All right. So this will be your answer. I hope you got the point. Okay, guys. Now, let's move on to the next question. I hope this question is clear to you. Okay. Raghu Reddy, thank you so much. Now move on to the next question. Next question is what? We are having x is equal to r sine A cos B. Y is equal to r sine A sine B. Z is equal to r cos A. Then find the value of x square, y square, z square. Yes, this value you have to find. Amish Sharma is saying once I was playing PUBG, now I'm playing with mathematics. Very good. Oh my god, APSS groups, thank you so much. Thank you, Rahul. Thank you. Thank you so much, Rahul. Thank you. Okay, now let's try to solve this question. Guys, in this question we have to find this. Nambi Rajan, the important formulas are already discussed in part 1. So please go and check part 1, okay, of this trigonometry. Now, putting the value of x here, we have r sine A cos B whole square, r sine A sine B whole square, r cos A whole square. Alright? Now, after squaring this, r square sine square A cos square B, r square sine square A sine square B, r square cos square A. So now take common from here, r square sine square A. We are left with cos square B plus sine square B. Alright, now plus r square cos square A. Now r square sine square A, the value of this will be 1. Now you are left with r square cos square A. Alright, now take common r square. We are left with sine square A plus cos square A. And this is your 1. So you will get your answer. But never ever try this method in your exam. This will get you in trouble. Okay. Now I will tell you which trick. Yes, comment in the comment box. I will tell you which trick of this question in just sec. You will able to solve this question in just seconds. Upendra Singh, thank you so much. Okay. Now I will tell you the officer's style method, that is officer's trick. All right. So let's start. Okay. So please take the screenshot of this first. Take the screenshot of this first. Yes, Suresh, Shippy. Vishwas, it will take time, dear. It will take time. All right. Now, guys, what you need to do is, okay, I will write this question again on the next slide. Don't worry. The question is, now the officer style method. Solve this question in just 1 second. In just 1 second. All right. Now, just I'm writing the question again. R sine A cos B, y is equal to r sine A sine B, z is equal to r cos A. We have to find the value of x square plus y square plus z square. Now guys, please listen carefully. Here we are not getting any condition for A and B. So I can put any value of A and B. I can put any value of A and B here. Okay, so please put A equal to 0, B equal to 0 here. You can put the value of your choice. Don't worry. You will get sine 0 is what? 0. The next value is 0. Sine 0 is what? 0. Y value is 0. Cos 0 is what? 1. Z is equal to R. Now put these values of x, y, z here. You will get 0 square, 0 square, R square. You will get your answer. This is the officer's style method, and you need to do like this in your exam. Guys, always do like this in your exam. Just look at the size of the solution. Guys, just look at the size of the solution. This is a basic method. This is a basic method, and this is officer styles method. Just look at the size of this solution. Okay, and you can put any value. You can put any value in this question. No problem. You can put any of the value. All right. I hope you like the trick. Yes, or you can put different values of A and B. Don't worry. Yeah, let's try. I don't have any objection on this. Let's try it. Just a minute. All right. Yes. 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 If I'm putting A0, B90, then there is no problem. Sine 0 is what? 0. Sine 0 is what? 0. Cos 0 is what? 1. All right. So this is again, you can say 0 plus R. Answer is R square. Or you can put any value of your choice. No problem. You can put different value. You can put any value. All right. I hope you got the point. All right. Yes, try it yourself. Okay, Sai Krishna is saying, sir, please put A equal to 30, B equal to 60. All right. So please try this with me. Please try this on your own. Okay, I will try also. I can have R sine 30 cos 60. Guys, always put those values which take less time. Always remember this. All right. Now R sine 30 sine 60, R cos 30. All right. r sine 30 cos 30, r sine 30 sine 60, r cos 30. All right, now we are having r is equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2, because cos 60 is what? 1 by 2. I'm putting here. I'm just checking, guys. R by 4. Now the value of this is sine 30 is what? 1 by 2. Sine 60 is what? Root 3 by 2. Then this will be root 3 r by 4. Now this will be root 3 r by 2. Now put all the values here. R by 4 whole square, root 3 by root 3 r by 4 whole square, root 3 by 2 r square. All right, guys. Sine 30 was 1 by 2, 1 by 2 r by 4, sine 30 1 by 2, root by 4. All right, now after solving this, r square by 16, 3 r square by 16, 3 r square by 4. Now after taking the LCM of this, we will get r square, 3 r square plus 4 4s are 16, 3 4s are 12. And after solving this, 12, 15, 116 r square divided by 16, and you will get your required answer. I hope you got the point. All right, guys, I hope you got the point. So guys, it is no difference when you are putting any value, but it will take time, guys. It will take time. So put those values which will take less time. Okay, Sai Krishna, I think, is it clear to you? All right. Yes, this is the officer style method. Okay. APSS is commenting. I think Sai Krishna is testing you. Guys, you never ever test a teacher, and don't dare to test a teacher. Always remember, guys. You very well know I am a selected person here. I am selected as an inspector in SSC CPO, so there is no point of testing here. All right. Yeah, I know, Sai Krishna, you are not testing, but the comment was there, so I'm explaining that comment. Nothing else. Sai Krishna is a good student of mine. Okay. All right. Thank you, Sai Krishna. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All right. Now we will move to the next question. Okay. Now, all right. I hope you are enjoying my classes. Okay, now I will give you a question based on trigonometry and algebra mixed. The question is tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 5. All right. Then you have to find the value of tan to the power 4 theta plus 1 upon tan square theta divided by tan square theta plus 1 minus 3 tan theta. Okay. Yes, Bhupesh, you can put any value. Yes, guys, please try to give the answer of this question. Come on, fast. Yes, guys. Okay. All right. Okay, Tanmay Das. Yes. Okay, Vishwas will do from the next week. Okay. Now. And Vishwas, please watch your words also. All right, Vishwa. Okay, dear Vishwa, please always watch your words while you are commenting in the class. Okay. Vishwa, you are talking to your teacher. All right. Okay, tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 5. Then you have to find the value of this. All right. So tan theta plus 1 by tan theta is equal to 5. Guys, always remember. Guys, always, first thing I clear you, always remember, while you are commenting here, you are talking to your teacher. Okay? Always remember this. You can't say your teacher that you paid for this batch. This is very, very, very harsh word. All right? You're gonna be an officer, guys. You're gonna be an officer. So you should have some basic etiquette or basic standards to talk. All right? Okay. Okay, guys. So I will start. No problem. Okay. Tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta. Guys, I'm telling you, I'm giving my 110% to you. And I always, I promise you guys, I always return you 110% or 200 from this batch. All right? And I don't know. All right. Now, let's start this question. Tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta is equal to 5. All right, guys. Now, I'm having, when I divide this expression by tan theta, I will get tan cube theta upon tan cube theta. And guys, you are always free to ask any doubt. Or you are always free to ask any doubt in a good manner. All right? I will definitely respond to you. Okay? Now, chill out. All right? I am a human being. Sometimes it happens. And sorry for that. All right? Now, let's start. If you all are ready, let's start. Please write in the comment box, let's start. All right? Okay. I will write the powers clearly. Okay. Your comments are very, very, very energetic for me, always. Okay. Now, when I divide by this tan theta, we will get tan cube theta, 1 upon tan cube theta. And when I divide from tan theta here, by tan theta here, I am getting tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta minus 3. And since I am having this, I can find this very easily. Okay. So 5 cube minus 3 into 5 divided by, this value is what? 5 minus 3. That is 110 divided by 2. Your answer will be, okay, Mahesh Akashpu, I will communicate your comment to the grade of care. Okay. This is 55. 55 is your answer. Mahesh Akashpu. All right. I'm writing your name here. Mahesh Akashpu. Okay, Mahesh. Anything else? All right. Raghu Reddy and Sayan Das, this is as it is question. So this question is from algebra. Actually, we are having this trick now from algebra chapter. If x plus 1 by x is equal to k, then x cube plus 1 by x cube will be k cube minus 3k. All right, guys. So I'm applying this here. All right, tan theta plus 1 by tan theta equal to 5. Then we can find this value, and we can also find this value. This value is written here. It is 5. Okay, now is it clear to you guys? Can I move to the next question? Yes, come on guys, give the answers please. Okay, now Chippy. All right. Yes, Rohit, what you are not understanding? First tell me you're joining the session in the mid. All right. Now let's move on to the next question. If the question is sine 21 is equal to x by y, okay, you have to find the value of sec 21 minus sine 69. You have to find this value. Yes, guys, give the answers, please. Okay, so guys, this question I will give you the good solution for this. Sine 21. First of all, I will make a triangle here. Okay, sine 21. I am taking this 21. So this will be 69 because sum of the interior angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. So I can write this sec 21 and this as cos 21. So I can write this as 1 upon cos 21 minus cos 21. So if I'm having the value of cos 21, this will be good. So sine 21 is what? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So by Pythagoras theorem, you will always have y square minus x square, this square minus this square. And what is Pythagoras theorem here? If this is theta, this is perpendicular, this is base, this is hypotenuse, then you will always have hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. This is your Pythagoras theorem I'm using here. All right, now cos 21 is what? Cos is what? Base upon hypotenuse minus cos 21 base upon hypotenuse. So I can solve this. Y can be here. Now take LCM of this. You will get y under root y square minus x square. So this will be your y square minus y square minus x square. All right. This will cancel out with this. You are left with x square upon y under root y square minus x square. So this will be your final answer. I hope you got the point. Okay. So by using triangle method, you can solve it very easily. All right, guys. Now, I hope this point is clear to you. So guys, this is all about today's session. All right, this is all about today's session, and I hope I discuss many of the types here, and I hope you like the session. And we will meet again. Guys, we will meet again on Monday. We'll meet again on Monday